Hello everyone, welcome to my new tutorial in which I explain how to update your firmware. The only thing you need is an internet connection through the Ethernet port. So let's get started. The first step is to restart your computer, and once you see the startup screen, keep pressing the F2 button to go to the UEFI firmware settings. And now in this BIOS settings environment, I can go to submenus with the arrow keys and enter menus with the enter key. I can go back with the escape key, and in this environment you will need to disable the Intel Management Engine. To do so, you need to go to the Dasharo system features and then Intel Management Engine options. So here I switch Intel ME mode to disabled HEP, go back with the escape key and select Dasharo security options. And in this menu you will need to disable the BIOS boot medium lock. Now there are two options to actually boot to the Dasharo tool suite, which is a minimalistic Linux environment to update your firmware. One option is to boot to a USB bootable drive with the Dasharo tool suite on it, and the other option is with an internet connection through network boot. And for that we will need to go back again and we select networking options. So here I'm enabling network boot. And now I press F10 and then Y to save the firmware settings. And now I will restart the computer, which I do with Ctrl-Alt-Delete. So now my computer is restarting. So I'm spamming the F2 key again to reach the BIOS firmware settings. And I go to one-time boot to select the IPXE network boot option. And then I see this blue screen and I press the arrow down key and I select the Dasharo tool suite option. So at this point it is important to have an Ethernet cable connected to the laptop or computer. So now let's wait until the Dasharo tool suite has started. So there we are, the Dasharo tool suite has opened, and now I select option 2 to update the Dasharo firmware. So we will have to wait for the system clock to be synced. As you can see now, the Dasharo tool suite has found a new firmware version. So I'm confirming the installation of this firmware version with Y and then enter. It asks for a final confirmation, so I'm pressing Y again and then enter. So at this point the firmware is updating and we will have to wait until the computer shuts down itself. So after the firmware update, it can take up to 5 minutes until the computer has booted for the first time after the update. Please note that it is possible that you will need to restart the computer manually for a few times. If the power LED is green, you can just wait until the computer has started again. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.
Nova Custom. Own your tag.